warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Miss. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, we would like to express warm greetings and respect to honorable lecturer Mrs. Hati and to all of dear listeners. It is truly make a great pleasure to be here today. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Sajan Bisaumi and
My name is Muhammad Arun Kasama. My name is Abi Abdul Mami.
My name is Tano Presio.
and our topic for today is for my group, vapor pollution causes, impact, and pollution. So, introduction in this our topic, what define the source and causes the water pollution in rivers, and two, solution to address the problem of water pollution in rivers. Three, increasing public awareness. Let's move to that causes.
Thank you, Septian. I will outline the main points we have summarized. Number one, industrial waste. Industrial waste is waste generated from industrial activities such as manufacturing, mining, and construction. This waste can include hazardous, chemical, heavy metals, toxic waste, wastewater, sludge, and solid waste such as metal and plastic. If not managed properly, industrial waste can have significant impacts on the environment and human health. Proper management is crucial to minimize its negative impacts. And number two, household waste is waste. Number two, household waste is waste material generated from daily activities at home, such as food waste, plastic, paper, cans, and chemicals. This waste can have negative impacts if not managed properly, such as environmental pollution. Poorly managed household waste can environmental pollution, through soil, water, and pollution. This can through soil, water, and pollution. This can trigger disease by through factors like fleas and rats, as well as damage ecosystem by disrupting the natural balance and biodiversity. Therefore, effective waste management is crucial. And number three, pesticides and agricultural that are not used properly and pollute the environment and harm living creatures. Which use and effective management are crucial to reducing the negative impacts. I will be presented by Tanto.
Next, in this section, I will discuss about 5 impacts. First impacts of river pollution, and 1, ecosystem damage. Water pollution disrupts natural balance of river ecosystem. Harmful chemical and waste can kill fish, plants, and other aquatic organisms, leading to loss of biodiversity and destruction habitat. And number 2, health problems. Polluted river can contain bacteria, virus, and toxic substances that cause diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, and skin infection. Number 3, environmental damage. Pollution in rivers can spread to soil and groundwater. It also affects the forest and agricultural lands, and then making the environmental less healthy. Number 4, loss of water resource. When rivers are heavily polluted water, become unsafe for drinking, irrigation, and industrial use. This reduces the availability of clean water. In number 5, economic impact. Water pollution can harm fishing industry, agriculture, and tourism. Local community that depend on river for their livelihood may suffer income loss. Enough for me, and the next turning to Rafi.
Okay, thank you, Ranto. To solve river pollution, we can take several actions. 1. Wastewater treatment. With more treatment plants to clean industrial and domestic waste before it enters rivers. 2. Reduce plastic use. Promote recycling and ban single-use plastics. Number 3. Sustainable agriculture. Use organic fertilizer and proper irrigation to prevent runoff. Number 4. Public awareness. Educate communities about the importance of clean rivers. Number 5. Government regulation enforce strict laws against illegal dumping and pollution. In conclusion, river pollution is a global issue that threatens our health and environment. It is caused mainly by human activities, but it can also be prevented by changing our habits, enforcing laws, and protecting our rivers together. Let's remember, if we protect our rivers today, they will protect our future tomorrow.
Thank you for the attention. Does anyone have any question?
Guru ini, kalau guru filmnya boleh bicara.
My name is Novita Nurutami. I'm from Group 3. I have one question for Group 6. What are the negative impacts of unmeasured household waste? What are the negative impacts of unmanaged household waste?
Of negative impact of
Unmanaged.
Jadi apa dampak negatif dari kalau tidak mengatur limbah rumah tangga?
I would like to answer the question from Novita. This can trigger disease spread through factor like fleas and rats, as well as damage ecosystem.
Itu dapat berbahaya karena dapat merusak ekosistem sungai.
This can trigger disease spread through factor like fleas and rats, as well as damage ecosystem.
Dan apa tadi?
This can trigger
Diskan
trigger disease
juga
spread disease.
ada yang tahu disease? Tadi saya bilang disease, dia masih enggak disease apa?
Disease.
Ada yang ingat disease? Ini. Kalau bukan disease ya, disease yang D semuanya. Tadi yang saya bilang ada yang ingat saya? Soalnya cancer gitu kan ya tadi siapa yang jawab cancer itu tadi kelompok mana? Nah, disease
spectral factors, spectral
Dan apa? Breakthrough apa?
factors,
Factors.
factors,
Faktor maksudnya apa sih?
factors,
Factors itu pakai P atau pakai F? V. Factors. Oh.
factors like fleas and rats,
Terus ulang.
as well as damage ecosystem.
Oke, nantinya separuh saja nggak apa-apa karena sama tadi ada kata-kata yang negatif dan ini apa?
Itu dapat memberikan dampak yang berbahaya karena dapat menyebabkan penyakit seperti dinner, terus dan dapat merusak ekosistem lingkungan.
Oke, untuk lingkungannya betul ya. Baik, ada kata tadi di sini juga untuk fleece ya. Fleece itu menurut kata fleece dari mana?
Apa jenis limbah yang dihasilkan oleh aktivitas industri?
Yang bertanya itu apa? Apa ulangi?
Apa jenis limbah yang diproduksi oleh aktivitas industri?
Jawab silakan.
I would like to answer the question from ST. This waste can include hazard, chemical, heavy metal, toxic waste, wasteware, sludge and solid waste, such as metal and plastic. This waste can include hazard, chemical, heavy metal, toxic waste, wasteware, sludge and solid waste, such as metal and plastic.
Limbah sekali dapat berdampak pada tanah dan menimbulkan dampak pada zat berbahaya pada lingkungan.
Thank you for the attention. This is something and sorry, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.